Hello friends, good morning all of you. So today date is 4 February 2022. So first of all, introduce myself. My name is Sachin Sanjay Guge. I had completed PE in Mechanical Engineer from Nasik in SVIT, Sir Vishweswaraya Institute of Technology. After that, we going to mechanical industry for doing work, and I have a 1 year experience also. So after some time, I will start the career in IT industry, and we will go to Hepshan Institute in Pune, and we will start to learn the Java developer or Java coder. So let's come to the point. So today our topic is the difference between abstract method and interface method, and we are going to discussion about abstract class and interface class. So in this topic we will cover the definition of abstract method and interface method, and after that some daily life examples, and after that short explanation about the interface method and abstract method. So first of all we going to discussion about the definition of abstract method. So abstract method means what? Its definition is, so abstract method is achieve the pending task or achieve the pending part. It's called as an abstract method. And definition of interface method. Interface method is achieve the only and only abstract method, and after that implement or develop their method. It's called as a interface method. So we can take the both method example. So first example is on abstract method. Suppose we develop a bungalow. We develop a bungalow, and I have a plan about this bungalow. Like in this bungalow, we have developed the kitchen, bedroom, and hall, and we can start the develop a bungalow. We can develop a kitchen. After that, we can develop a bedroom, but we can not develop. We can know about the bedroom, but we can't develop about this, and we pending this task, and we can write the name of abstract the hall, or abstract the hall, because we can't develop the hall, but I have know about the hall, but we can't develop the hall. So this name is write down to abstract hall. It's called as a abstract method. After that interface method, only we can know about the plan. We can only the know about, we can develop a bungalow, but we can't know about the how to develop this bungalow. So we can name the interface of bungalow. Each example of interface method. uh, After that, in abstract method, in abstract method, there are allowed to there are content or allowed to contract method and abstract method or non abstract method. But interface method, there is only allowed to abstract method, not allowed to any other concrete method. But in the after some time, 1.8 generation or 1.8 JDK, there are allowed to public static method or static method or final method, and after 1.9 generation allow the allow the public method. Then third point is in this method the keyword. Then third point is in abstract method the keyword is used to abstract to declare the abstract class. But in interface method there is interface keyword is word is used to declare the interface class. In interface method there is not allowed to constructor, but in abstract method there is allowed to constructor. And in abstract method you can change the variable and you can change the value of this variable, but in interface method we can't change the variable and their values because it contain default variable and it is fixed variable and fixed value, so it not change their values. And in interface method there is some restriction about modifier, but in abstract method there is not any restriction. So that's of all overall difference on abstract method or interface method. So I hope you will understand the difference of abstract method or interface method. So thank you for about this. Thank you for all.